Coming up tonight, the Prime Minister starts northern tour. Uluingalau in Vakanola, Kemba gets new school block after theirs was blown down during Cyclone Thomas. And the Attorney General says PESA Plus is not the way for the region. In Fiji is not involved in the initial talks. Good evening. You're watching Fiji Today on My TV. I'm Laisia Sakumbu. The Prime Minister Commodore Bainimarama began a tour of the Northern Division today. The Prime Minister began his tour in Solevu. Commodore Bainimarama will also officially launch the Vodafone 3G network, which will allow the North more access to interactive mobile services. The children of Uluingalau School in Vakanola, Kemba sang songs of praise as the Prime Minister Commodore Bainimarama officiated at the groundbreaking ceremony of their school block, which was blown down during Cyclone Thomas last year. The building is a part of the rehabilitation works, including the rebuilding of homes being carried out by the government on the island.
The Prime Minister Commodore Bainimarama during the ceremony of welcome at the village thanked the people of Lakemba for looking after government officials that work on the island.
Kami tasakin na talnoran bobi todo sa namono como todo sa chuna bosi ni babi ni na ko sa na balislis na to karo sa chuna ni an kito mekel sa chu kito kelmai na mata terna sa chu ni kito chu sa mai bunong bala bunong liu sa talanga na so ko ni marau anda mai sota pasal tu kalau mata ni ko tu wabina ta sabale unanum nindo kawita kana linga ni bingara ni matentu na leuni bunua nando la ko samai ni bisi ko sala samai padadak isa sa chunga ni wosa na buki kito na la ko sa chunga wosa tal chunga na buku na walislis matentu rujugo sa ana nom do yan wabina te wale bonon ra marroi din ra me merme wingarabi wabina te sa tanga wale bonon do marroi non do kroni na vital no me no en non me wingarabi sa chugula kam.
Whilst inspecting the school facilities on Vakano, the Prime Minister was accompanied by the singing children. And according to the provincial administrator Lau Samuel Andalai, the classroom block was completely destroyed by Cyclone Thomas and is being funded by government.
The assistance that was given is for the rehabilitation program, continue from last year. We started off with the housing rehabilitation last year. This is one of the area that has been devastatedly damaged by TC Thomas as the impact of tsunami plus the cyclone. I think the building block on the other end was completely destroyed, which was assisted now.
He said 7 homes are being rebuilt in the village at a cost of $16,000.
We provided a total package of 16,000 for the completely damaged house. That's in terms of construction and labor.
Mr. Ndelai said the rehabilitation funds cover the villages affected on the eastern side of Lakemba, which includes Vakano. 20 houses in all will be rebuilt.
I think the impact of damage is basically for the eastern side of the island, which include this island, Vakano and Rana. So those are the villages that is we found out the impact of TC Thomas last year. We managed to complete 20 houses last year that has been completely damaged. And we will continue with that program on the rest of the islands that will be covered this year.
After the break, Fiji says PESA Plus is not the way to go for the region if Fiji is not involved in its initial talks, and more business integration needed in the country.